In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in a Zoom meeting. We've all been there. You join a meeting, and suddenly you realize that your displayed name isn't right. Whether it's a forgotten middle name, an old nickname, or just something you want to adjust for the occasion, knowing how to quickly change your name is a handy skill. Let's explore the simple steps to make sure your name is always just the way you want it. First, make sure you're logged into Zoom and have joined your meeting. Once you're in, you might notice your name as it appears in the participants list might not be what you'd like. This is where we start our process. On the Zoom interface, look for the Participants button. It usually sits at the bottom of the screen on a computer or the top, if you're on a mobile device. Go ahead and click or tap on that. You should now see a list of participants showing up on your screen. Find your name, which should be at the top if you focus on yourself. On a computer, hover over your name. You'll see a More button appear to the right. Go ahead and click on that, and from the options displayed, choose Rename. If you're on a mobile device, tap your name directly to see an option to rename yourself pop up. This is where you can input your new preferred name. A text field will appear. Type in whatever name you'd like to use in the meeting. Make sure it's the name you want the host and other participants to see. Remember, you want it to be somewhat professional if you're in a formal meeting. Once you've typed in your new name, confirm the change by clicking the OK or Save button. And there you go! Your name should be instantly updated in the participants list for everyone to see. If it doesn't update immediately, try clicking out of the participants window and reopening it to refresh your screen. A few more things to note. If you wish to make your name change permanent for future meetings, you need to adjust it in your Zoom profile settings, which you can do through the Zoom application or web portal. Simply log into your account, go to your profile, and change your display name there. I hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow. Changing your name in a Zoom meeting is now as simple as a few clicks or taps. Whether you're jumping into an important meeting or just touching base with friends, having the right name to present yourself can make all the difference. Stay confident in your virtual presence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other Zoom tutorials for more tips and tricks.